Kublai pi baro ngi pedang snobhaya page ke thup khobor menta ka janmit shwaban page ke khobor ki babnya ngi ne pechwai ki mat bakong san Penslo Menteri Rangba Hau Amit Shah halor ka kala ka ba ar jong ka jinge pen bet put hapeng ka jila Assam ba ka jila Meghalaya ka jing mudoi ka NIA persha ikidkhot ka HNLC kanam kta ya ka jinge kren yasup ong Menteri Rangba Lapelat ya kerunsan terekam online ka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act. Bat menjur ka kenhuan menteri ban penjar ya ka CRPC bat CPC syabarwa kiying bishar hapo ka jalan. Ki khubor ki babnya Menteri Rangba ka jala ukadrat ke sangma hakas ngi balang uloong ba menteri ka tenat kampo iyeng ka sarkar pedeng u Amit Shah uloong ka sarkar jala banya shakmat ba ka jinga kren ya penbet put ka baya dei ba ki henriu teli ki jaka ya ka jia ki badang sa ba ka Assam haka jinglet badang shen jong u sha New Delhi Menteri Rangba ula pentip sha menteri ka tenat kampo iyeng ka sarkar pedeng halor ka jing sedang ka jinga kren penbet put jong ka kala ka baar ha pedeng ka jala Meghalaya bat Assam Menteri Rangba ula IT ru ya ka kaipot halar ki kam balalia da ka sarkar MDA hakini ki South Nem Shiteng baladem
and we will try our best to resolve this issue at the earliest to that he of course was very happy, very positive, and he said that he would like to see that we are able to resolve these issues at the earliest, and he stressed on that, and he said that we should work closely with some government also and with central government and find a way to resolve this issue.
Menteri Rangba ka jala ukanrat ke sangma uloong baka jing mudoi na kaliang ka NIA persha ikino yalam ka HNLC kanam kta ya ka jing ekren yasuk bat kaseng ka NIA kala mudoi persha ya sawut ki khot ka HNLC bakan thup yo khledu jongka uba Bobby Marvin halor ka jingbu ya ujing pinbathai IED hadin ka jakasa kinong tre jong ka Star Cement ha East Giant Hills habakren shekilat pathai khubor Menteri Rangba ula ai ka jingkular bakin pintikna bakan omdon ka jingthut ne jingpinwit namar ka jing toket dakikin hun toket balai luit batkini kin omdei ban kta ya ka jing yakren yasuk kumban syukdaw hangni Menteri Rangba ka jala dangshan ula yakendu yo menteri ka tenat kampo iyeng ka sarkar pedeng u Amit Shah ha Delhi ban yakren ru halor ka jing yakren yasuk bat ka HNLC
ensure that there is no kind of hurdle or any kind of interference or any kind of problem because of these investigations. These are the independent investigations by an independent agency that are going on. So this will not and should not affect the peace talks.
Hene kasngi ukanrat ki sangma ula pelat ya karensan terekam online joga Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act. Yakani karensan terekam on pen terekam ningkong e hakih nyotli ki shinong ganong ba shalong. Haka kala baningkong on bentrekam hanong Rim Hills, Lapalang, Nong Minsong, Nong Ra, Pokse, Riat Laban, but wa dieng ling. Haba ai jingkren, haka jingalang Menteri Rangba uloong, baka jing pentrekam ya kateka rinsan kat kum ki jukstan, bamenta kan pentikna ya jing shngan jo kinong shong shnong, kum juru kan long kum kalat, lum jing tip ka baklan na kabenta ki bor ki badekmi, ban pet ngor ban le kat kum ka jing tip la yo lum na kateka rinsan trekam. Ya kateka rinsan la penwandur banwanra ya banyarap ki trying ki nong shong wai ki bor shnong ban penrung ki kerteng kumju ki jingtip jong ki nong shong shnong ki trying ni ki nong shong wai ki jaka wai kat kum ki kindon ka form B jong ka an ka URL jong kateka rinsan trekam ka dei http://megrssa.nic.in
focusing on the safety and security of the people who are residing in different localities. This also acts as a very strong intelligence system for us to know exactly who is where, in which locality, and allows us to be able to accordingly monitor and act based on this intelligence input.
Ka cabinet kala ajing menjur ban penyari ka Code of Criminal Procedure CRPC ber ka Code of Civil Procedure CPC sha barwa ki yeng shari ha Meghalaya haba ai jingkren shakilat pathai khubor hadian belawai ka jingalang hinin gasngi ukan rat ke sangma ulaya thu shekinong pathai ba hadian ka jingamir sani bha bat baro ki ying shari jong ki district bat hadian bela penshai halor ka jing sngo khia ka sarkar kala manjur ya ka te ka jing pen bana ulaong baki kendon juga Code of Criminal Procedure khat khandai spa nyopulai kandei tang ya ki ying shari ha Meghalaya kani ka rai ka de ka jing penya khlat pura ya ka judiciary na ka executive but ka jing pentrai kam ya ka bor bala ai kat kum ka subsection ka baar jong ka section 1 ka Code of Criminal Procedure khat khandai spa nyu pulai jong ka act baar jong usnem khat khandai spa nyu pusau
today to clear the notification, and the language reads as follows: in pursuance of full separation of judiciary from the executive and in exercise of the powers conferred in proviso to subsection 2 of section 1 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, Act 2 of 1974, the Governor of Meghalaya is pleased to apply the provisions of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 to the courts in the state of Meghalaya.
ka sarkar jala ka danjing thmu banshnai ka rupwe bankit brew ka baningkong e anash lum shilong shalo sotun ha ka jinglot ka balong shis pa sau phok lur tingka lingba ka new development bank ha ka bayade bat ka ni ka cabinet hinin gasngi kala pen khoj ya ka bill jong ka rupwe ya ka Meghalaya rupwe bill 8000 rpr on sabu hakmat ka ying dor bar thawan layathu mentri rangba ka jilla ha kilat pathai khubor ha kani ka bil kalong ban bu ya ka kindon na ka banta kinong let jinglet bat kinong wan jungo kai prathai lingba ki ropwe ya ka bala khmi lenti banwan ration ha ka jala ka sarkar kan sakhot tender na ka banta ka ropwe ha kini ki khatsan ha po lai phosngi ha ka jo ka por ka cabinet kala ai ka jingmenjor ru ya ka Meghalaya State Consumer Protection Mediation Rules 8000 rpr ya kani la le khnang man pentikna la da don ki jing e ha ka ba ya dei ba ka jing ya da ya kinong thiet ya kani la ban pinbet haka kerdan jong ka district nang bakin omdan kam ban mi shakibor badekmi
The first one being the Shillong Peak ropeway, for which an amount of roughly about approximately 140 crores through the new development bank has already been sanctioned, and we expect that we should be calling the tender for this ropeway, Shillong ropeway project, in the next 15 days to 30 days time.
Chief Executive Member ka KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council Ibatitos Khan ulaong ba ka council klapen pau ya ka jing sngokhia halor ka rai jong ka cabinet ha ka bayade ba ka jing pentrai kam ya ka CRPC ba ka CPC ha ki ying shari ha Meghalaya Ubatitos ulaong ba ka ni ka jing pentrai kam kan pentlot ya ka bor ba ka rukom trekam juga district council court nadu ka ying shari ha ki jaka nong kendong ba ka ying shari ka bakham hapo ulaong shushu baga ka khat ar tarik mentau benai unsa khat jingalang na ka benta barwa ki seng sain perthai ban yakran sani bha bar ban shim rai halor ki lat kilenti na ka benta kala we ka banwan.
Once the government has given this notification, the powers and function of all our district council code will be diluted. They will have no more, because it's very difficult for us to run the village code, the subordinate code, because at that time we will need that this aim or the practice by the different practice of code in the village level and district council in subordinate code. All they have to pass LLB, because so far any case taken up in the village code and the subordinate code, we are taking only the spirit of the CRPC and CPC.
Mentapat ngin pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sin beneng hasulong ka jing shet kalong arpusan point iwe degree Celsius ba ka jing khret kalong khat khandai degree Celsius ka jing skam ka hau kalong prapuwei na ka spa min step bat khandai pusan na ka spa janmit ka jing hap slap kalong khat pra point riu millimeter kala bandan ka jing hap slap ka ba malu mala hakikat tu kat ni ki jaka sashi sian ngi pinkan mau ya phi ba ya kani ka khubor jingi phila ru ban pe live ha ka YouTube channel jong ka DD News Shillong Shwaban poi shiga bukut jo kathup khubor ngi ne pet byang sashi sian yi kimat bukong san Pin slow menteri rangba hau Amit Shah halor ka kala ka ba ar jong ka jeng pen bet put happening ka jila Assam ban Meghalaya Kajing mudoi ke NIA persya ikut ke HNLC ke nomta ya kajing keren yasuk ong menteri rambang. Lapelat ya kerensan terekam online ke Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act. Bat menjor ke kenhuan menteri ban penyar ya ke CRPC bat CPC syabarok ki ying bishar hapo ke jelang. Ti parlok katungi la poi shika bakut jeng ketup kubor jeng i mentaka janmiet hadu banginde syambiang bat pila syai kesngi kubleye pi baro.